Baudouin Oosterlynck. Baudouin Oosterlynck, born November 19, 1946, in Kortrijk, is a Belgian composer, sound artist, and visual artist. He is notable for his early musique concrete works and his later installation pieces and objects d'art. Among his works are a series of 23 preludes, 3 overtures, 5 oratorios, and a sonata collectively known as Variations du Silence that consist of recordings of the ambient sound in particular locations selected by the composer. He has also designed a variety of highly sensitive instruments for listening. Discography: 1975-1978 4 LP box/4 CD box, Metafin 1, 2008 plus 78-page booklet, prepared piano voice, objects, sex. Honors, decorations, awards, and distinctions. He has been a member of the Royal Academy of Science, Letters and Fine Arts of Belgium since 2007. References/notes and references